So hey guys, what's up yo, this is Mohammed Sajidz and you're watching Sajidz Tech. So here in this video I'm going to shortly talk with you about how you can create a store by your Instagram and the Facebook. Nowadays it's a trend for you to create a shop by your Facebook account or your Instagram account, and both are same. So in this video I'm going to share with you about this, how you can create this type of shop in your Instagram account and in your Facebook account too. In this quick and short tutorial I'll cover those. So without making it late, let's start this video with me. Before starting this video, that I have a request: if you are not already the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with me. Okay guys, here first of all I'll talk with you about the Instagram, how you can create a shop by your Instagram account. So in this case, here you need to go to in your profile, or from here go to on this three bar, go to the settings, and here you need to go to on this business bar from here and go to on this setup Instagram shopping. And here guys, it will take you in this page. Now click on this get started from here and it will take you here, setup Instagram shopping. So here from this all the accounts or all those accounts here, all these are just connected with your Facebook account, which Facebook account is already connected with your this Instagram account. That is here I just show you that here this my account is already connected with this Instagram account with the Facebook. So for that reason now there's all are shown here. So here I need to go to there, and from here I need to set up my Facebook page where I want to create the shop. So in this case I want to go to on this Sajidz Creative Insider. I want to create my shop here, and here from you can also create your own Facebook page if you don't have it. So here from you can do it. Now click on this next and it will take you in another tab from here, and here from you can just select that here I have one catalog is product, or here from you can click on this next from Facebook, or here from business they have something. Now go to on this, or here from you can just select another catalog, use a different catalog, as I have already created a catalog. So I want to show you with different catalog, so go to on this use different catalog, or in this case here they ask you to create your own catalog from here. So here content connect a catalog. So in this case here they have a lot of options like Facebook Catalog Manager, Shopify, BigCommerce, Magneto, WooCommerce, Facebook Shop. So in this case I will select this Facebook catalog, as I haven't any WooCommerce website or I haven't any other pages. So in this case I just select this Facebook catalog shop catalog content manager, go to on this send setup instruction, and it will send you an instruction to your email address. And here rest of the work I need to do with my desktop, because here this catalog setup is not available right now in your Android mobile phone and the iOS. It's only available in the Windows. So I need to go to in the Windows to show you the whole thing and the whole process from here. So here you guys, you can see they have an email. I have already got this in the past, so I want to share with you like this. So you will get an email like this whenever you just open it for the first time, or here from you can also download this, let people buy your product on Instagram. So go to on this finish setup and it will take you in your Facebook products page from here, and it will be loading here catalog manager. This may take a moment, so wait and patiently here. Now here you can see your page is on. Now go to on this, click on this go to shop from here, and here it will be looks like that whenever you open it for the first time, and here it will take you in another page. And now your things will be started from here, and here from start selling on Facebook, or Instagram, both get started. Choose a checkout method, choose sales channel, add product or preview. So go to on this next, and here from checkout on another website. That means if anyone want to buy something, that time if they click here, that time it will take you in another in your website's checkout page. Or if you want to check out with this Facebook or Instagram, you need to click on this, and here from go to on this next to start it.
and here from it will take you in another page where you can add your own catalog or the product whatever you have. And here you can see, click on this get started for Facebook, and here a US bank account or the routing number, this they want to start you. And here guys, your business setup, everything will be here. Go to on this setup, and you need to just rename your e-commerce site. Like I just make it as a sajidz steak, and go to on this next. Now click on this create a page from here and choose a category of your business, local business or place, whatever. I just choose it as a page name. Here I just make the page name as here the category. So here from I want to add a category, like I just take it as a arts and entertainment, street address. I just want to leave those. It looks like you already manage a page name sajidz steak. Please choose a different name or go to your current page. So here from, if you have already a page, that time you can manage this page from here. And if you don't already have, that time from here you can just go to there. Or here, as I can see that here, after just go to getting here, it just take you my this page, manage shop. From here just click here to manage shop, and here now you can start shop setup. Go to on this start shop setup from here and choose the checkout method, provide your business details, add your inventory. So go to the next and choose to another website, checkout with messaging. Or here from I want to check out with messaging. And here now after that it wants my email business email address. So I just want to take my this email address here. And here they have a catalog is already, product catalog is already here available, other catalogs is 0. So from here add your inventory here. Or here from, as I have already create a catalog, so here whenever you are in the first time, that time you need to add your products here. So here in this I want to add my inventory, so go to on this catalog product. And once you have already done, that time you can do this checkout method, checking with message, business name, business ID, catalog, everything is okay. And I just submitting your product and submit shop for review. And here it's just submit my this shop for review to the Facebook, give customer a way to view your product, change maybe or maybe later, change now, give customers a way to so make it as a view shop, so that your request review or your shop can be published. So for that here I need to request for a review from here, and that's okay. And they have some account quality, they will check my account quality from here, and they will just review my this page, and then it will just send me a feedback that whether my account is eligible to start a e-commerce shop or not. And here in these you can see all of your products, product status, policy, issue, channel, latest reviews, everything you can see here.
Now after making a lot of things, now you need to give a time to Facebook to review your product, and then just it will take at least 5 to 10 minutes, and after that your product will be visible in your Facebook. And then now all the viewers of yours in the Instagram also can view your product. So here guys, this is the thing that I want to share with you. Now guys, it's your turn. Guys, after watching this video, I think your problem will be solved. Guys, if your problem is solved, that time I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friends. So guys, no more today, we will meet in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.